Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Comfort. I'm Shurav and you are again welcome to another CTF series. In this video, we are going to attack on a virtual machine which is called Toppo, and we are going to gaining access of the virtual machine and get a flag. So without talking too much, let's get started. As usual, I'm not going to explain too much of the codes I'm going to execute in this command line, but by watching each of the videos, you will figure out a handsome way to know how all the codes are working and what are for the which codes. Okay, so for a better view, I'm going to make the full screen mode for you guys. So this will be a little benefited for you. So um, uh, let's get started without talking too much. So at first, I need to open up my terminal and let's make a simple config. What? Uh, this is my current IP address. I'm going to copy this thing right now. So, um, sorry. So now I need a simple enough scan, and sorry for my background noises. And it's going to be on 92.168.0.0/24. So it's going to scan the IP address from 192.168.0.0 uh, uh, on it will be changed from 0 to 1, 0 to 2, and the last two digits. Okay, 2 to 4, or this type. Okay, so let's make a simple scan to ping all the IP addresses. Okay, connected to this router. So this is a router IP address which is so-called a gateway, and the devices name that are connected to it. And here we go, we got our virtual box, and here is the IP of this virtual box, and we are going to make attack or perform the attack against this IP address. Okay, so as usual, it is good to make a roadmap or a use a make a scan of the targeted IP address. Okay, so target. So this will help us a lot because we will get our full roadmap to how to use and which path we should go for. So let's make another nmap, scan onto it. Okay, and C C A and the IP address. I think this one, right? This one. So I'm going to run the attack and sorry, run the scan. It's not attack, but it's kind of attack as well. We can say it. To resize it a bit. No need. We got a result here. So we got something interesting here. There's some key host keys, which is SSH. So here's SSH port on and open SSH 6.7p on the Debian. Okay, so this is I don't think so. I believe it's not a vulnerable version of SSH. So here you go. That we got another TCP port, which is 80, and based on the HTTP, which is supported the Apache HTTP. Okay, this is also not a vulnerable on. I believe that, and it's running on the Bootstrap. So we're going to find out a lot of things. Uh, there are some kernel informations which device is running onto it, but I don't think so. There is anything. So let's see what we can use here. So there is nothing, but to get a hint of it, again, sorry for my background noises. It's going to it's okay. Okay, it's a bootstrap website. Okay, so a train is going to make its journey from here, and my home is nearby a station. Okay, so sorry for that. I'm taking apologies for this reason. Okay, so now we got a bootstrap theme, right? But if you're going to make a source pages, so we can see that bootstrap navigation and some links, and there's some. Okay, all are okay. We don't think so we can find out anything here, but we have another thing to extract all the informations from it. So to get it, uh, I think I need this terminal in future. So and also this browser. So I'm going to use Uniscan and let's see for the URL target and QDWES, and it's going to scan something, and if we got anything important into it, we'll grab it and start attacking onto it. Like what? Like here you got something CSS and admin, right? Um, why it's not gonna work, but if we are going to see the admin we can find out. This might be interesting for us. Let's see what we can get here. I don't think so. Yeah, we got a node.txt. Let's see if we can find out anything or not. So we got something that is called I need to change my password, which is 12345 dead 123. It's too outdated, but the technology isn't my thing. I prefer go fishing or watching a scorer. So this might be a hint. He's giving his uh, password here. Okay, so we got the password, and pretty much is there any robot text or something so that we can find out another thing? I don't think so. We are not getting anything, so it's going to check the vulnerability of the theme. I don't think so it's going to find out any vulnerability into this code because it's bootstrap and it's pre-tested. But if anyone uh, left any bugs into it by itself, so it could be, but we got a hint of it, so I don't think so we need anything else from here. So I'm going to clear it. As we got a hint, I'm going to get a temporary project file to create it. uh, Project and cd project, and here we go. So I'm going to use so as we get our where we go, yeah, we got our password, right? And uh, there is nothing without there is nothing um, nothing expect the password, so we need to figure out the username. uh, so I think we should make a brute force attack onto it, because there is a port open called TCP, a port open called SSH service. Okay, so we can make a brute force onto it, and uh, as you can see, there is no, this site is not secured with SSL, so we can make it unlimited uh, uh, login tries to it, right? So now we can make uh, uh, think onto it. So we got a think password. This is 1235345 date onto 3. So we need to make something. We'll find out the username from here. So let's make something called nano user dot text, and let's uh, 12345 345 dead onto 3, I believe. 5 dead onto 3. Okay, so this is the password. Okay, so now we need to reverse engineer onto it. So we can use 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 on 2 3 on 2 2 on. So this is going to be the first 5 digits combination. Then we can use on 2 3 4 5 dead, sorry, on 2 on 2 3 4 5 dead, then on 2 3 4 dead, on 2 3 dead, on 2 dead, 2 dead, on dead. Then what we can use again is 2 dead, so 3 dead, 4 dead, and 5 dead. So we can also use a combination called dead onto 3, dead onto, dead 2, dead on. Then we can use dead onto 3, 4 5 6. Sorry, it's not going to be look like something. We can use on 2, on 3, on 4, on 5, then 2 3, 2 4, 2 5. That's how. And we can also use like dead by itself, and I don't think so any combination. So let's find out what's going to use here. I think dead is the username, but for sure I'm going to use the Hydra, and let's see it's going to save or not. Okay, Hydra minus for the user dot text minus p, and the password is onto 345, dead onto 3, and the port is SSH. This is 22, and I do not need any threads. I need a purpose mode onto it on 92.168.0.109. I believe the target machine. That's 9. Okay, so and the at least SSH, and I'm going to attack it. So I hope the date is the accurate one. Yep, and it's also say the date is the accurate one as well. So this is the date, and so without making anything else, so SSH, let's connect into it. So SSH date and on 92.168.0.109, and yes, 1 2 3 4 5 date onto 3, and we got our Toppo. So date is now here, so I'm going to clear it, and let's say pwd, where am I now? So you're at home, right? So let's make sure that we if we got anything here or not. So ls ls, so we have a dot profile city, nothing. So can I use for it, and here we go. Let's go for the root. It's not permitted, right? So is there any map minus h apt get IMS map permission denied. Can you go for the per city per HTML, and I don't think so we are going to find out anything into it. Can I use the readme md for, oops, it's a bootstrap thing, nothing else. I didn't find out cd admin. Can go for the admin here. Cat. I think this is the thing that we get from. Okay. So can we use a find or locate? So let's see what we can get. So let's find is working. So find config.php. There is nothing. So locate .php. There's nothing. So what we can use is root. Let's use the date on the 345. Okay. So city lost plus found permission denied. So it's pretty much obvious that we need to use the root directory. Okay, so can I use shell command? No, sorry, bash. So okay, can I use bin? Oh, sorry, city bin. We got a ss. We got ss here. And pwd. Okay, so all the comments are here. Let's see if we got into cd. Cd is not working, right? Cd can't cd to root. So what we can use here? Can use the simple bash. Nothing. Can use the Python here. Print like what? Hello world. Oops, sorry. Sorry, yeah, I can share that. Python is working, so here we can use the Python c -c and we're going to import. Sorry, import pty and sorry pty dot spawn, and I'm going to use the bash bin sh, and let's see, we got our, can use it now. I think we're inside the root, and there we got the flag. So you can flag dot text. So it was a simple CTF of Toppo. So we got our flag here, and I'm going to copy it. So that was really simple. I'm going to create a cd desktop project. Sorry, nano flag dot text and key. I don't think so it's going to work because it's not copy pasting, so we can use the leaf pad flag dot text, and here is our flag. So I'm going to save it, and I'm going to close it now. So we are here. It was pretty simple, and exit, right? ID dead root floppy, right? So I'm going to exit now. So exit and log out. We are outside of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, make a like to this video and subscribe our channel for motivate us, and share this video to others. If you and make sure to uh, seriously, make sure to visit our website quantumfault.com, and you'll get all the videos as a course for free, and you will get something better there by a part, so that you will get a better understand how, what, and how we are doing. So yeah, that's it, and don't worry, we'll make another course or simple videos that will explain you what we are doing, and we'll make a complete roadmap for you. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and goodbye, peace.